In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then tap on this gear next to Google under Autofill service and select Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on any of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!